Hello, how you doing today? Our topic for today is the reproductive system. Can we say that together? The reproductive system. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to define reproduction and explain the reproductive system of both male and female. So, what is reproduction? Reproduction is the biological process by which new individual organisms, that is, offspring, are produced from their parents. It is the process by which new individual organisms are produced from their parents. So, this is the structure of the female reproductive system. Both male and female have their own reproductive system. There are so many organs, different organs in our body that helps us to give birth to our young ones alive. A female has it, so we can see this. We have the uterus, the fallopian tube, the ovary, the cervix, the vagina. Okay, the uterus is also known as the womb. That is where the baby, that is where the fetus develops, right? And we see that we have the fallopian tube. The fallopian tube, that is where fertilization takes place. That fertilization is what? The union of the sperm and the egg to form a zygote. I'm still going to tell you more about that. So you see this ovary. The ovary is the part that helps in the production of the female gametes. That is the female sex cell, which is the ova, or you call it egg. Okay. Now let's see the vagina. You can see the vagina is the canal that joins the cervix. The cervix is the lower part of the uterus, okay, to the outside of the body. It is also known as the birth canal. So the vagina is where the baby comes out from during childbirth. Okay, and as a female, it is very important that you always take care of your private parts. You put on your panties. You make sure you wear pants that are neat, not dirty ones, because of germs. Then the uterus is also known as the womb. You know that, already told you that. Okay, and that is where the baby develops. Remember, I told you that the ovary, okay, helps in the production of the female gamete. What is the female gamete called? It is called what? The egg. Fantastic. Okay, so the fallopian tube. What happens at the fallopian tube? Fertilization. Very good. So what is fertilization? Fertilization is the union of the sperm and the egg to form a zygote. Very good. Okay, so you can see this ovum. The ovum is also known as the egg. That's the female gamete. This is the sperm. And it's the what? The male gamete. You call it the male sex cell. And when it unites together, will form the zygotes. So the zygote will develop to embryo. Okay, and the embryo develops to fetus in the uterus. You can see the fetus. So it is the fetus that will now develops and a baby will be formed. So let's see the male reproductive system. You can see that the male reproductive system is linked to the excretory system. You can see we have the bladder there. The bladder, that is where the urine is stored temporarily. The ureter, okay. You can see ureter is one of the excretory organs. You can see that we have every part of the body is all the part of it's just there's a linkage between each of the body parts and all that. So you can see we have the prostate gland, the urethra, the scrotum, the testicle, the vas deferens. Okay. Now, the testicle is found in the scrotum. All right, and it is this testicle, or you call it the testis. The testis produce the male gametes, which is known as the sperm. So if you are asked what is the part of the male sex, the male reproductive organ that produces the male gametes, what will you say? You say what? The testis. The testis produces the male gametes. Okay, you can see we have the penis. This is used for sexual intercourse in male. So the scrotum, I've already said that before, and it contains the testicle, or you call it the testis. So you can be asked that what is the male sex hormone called? It is called the testosterone. Can we say that together? Testosterone. The male sex hormone is called testosterone. Okay, and the male sex cell, or the male gamete, is called the sperm. Very good. Alright, this is still part of the male reproductive system. We have the vas deferens. The vas deferens transports mature sperm to the urethra. Okay, the tube that carries urine to or it also carries the sperm to outside of the body. So you know that the urethra either carries urine or the sperm outside of the body, and you know that the urethra is within the penis. So the prostate gland helps to secrete the prostate fluid that helps to nourish the sperm. So it is the prostate gland that secretes prostate fluid that helps to nourish the sperm. So you can see all the part of the male reproductive system, the female reproductive system, they are very important. So as a female and as a male, it is very important that we take care of ourselves, put on clean clothes, clean underwears, take your bath regularly, okay, and make sure that you You have a nice day. Remember, the male reproductive system and the female reproductive system are very, very important. The male gamete is called what? Let me ask you. The sperm. Very good. And the female gamete is called what? The ovum. Fantastic. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.